Welcome to AnbuZ HobbieZ, your source for tech and programming tutorials. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of installing MongoDB on a Windows operating system. Whether you're a developer or just getting started with databases, this guide will help you set up MongoDB in no time. Let's jump right in. Our first step is to download the MongoDB installer for Windows. Now, let's navigate to mongodb.com. Next, go to the Products section and select Community Edition. Now, proceed to Select Package under the Community Server section and click on it. Choose your preferred version, platform, and package type, then click the Download button. Once the installer is downloaded, run it. You'll be guided through the installation process. During the installation, you can choose the installation type. We recommend selecting the Complete Installation for all MongoDB features. If you're a local user, select a local or domain user, and enter the current username and password of the user currently logged into your computer. Entering incorrect username and password may result in an error message popping up. Be sure to tick the checkbox next to MongoDB Compass. Click Install to start the installation process. This may take a few moments. After a successful installation, MongoDB Compass will open automatically. To connect to the local MongoDB, simply click on the Connect button. On the left panel, you'll find a list of the existing databases. To create a new database, click on the plus icon. Provide the database name and initial collection name, and then click on the Create Database button. You'll now see the newly created database and collection. Congratulations! You've successfully installed MongoDB on your Windows system. Now you're all set to explore the world of NoSQL databases. Thanks for joining us. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our tech and programming content.